Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you link your Spotify with Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do this, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you just simply have to go over your profile picture icon, and after going in there, just simply tap to this gear option into the top right. After tapping into gear, you will get this option of connections. Tap to connections and then you will get this add button into the top right corner. Tap there and then you will get this Spotify options in this whole many other options into the Discord. Tap into Spotify and then it will lead you to your web browser where you just simply have to log in with your Spotify account, and after that you just simply have to give the permission to connect to Discord. Then after doing this much, your Spotify account will successfully be linked with Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.